Fraser Coast Libraries, and how are you guys today? Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to do a simple science experiment and it's called Magic Milk. So go and get your mums and dads. Come on, big people, join in too. It's for all ages, for all the family to have lots of fun. So we're going to start off with things that we can find in our kitchen. So we've got a dish, we've got some milk, we're going to have some coloured food colouring, which is red and yellow and green, but it can be any colours that you can find. We're going to have cotton buds. We're going to use our dishwashing liquid that we use to wash up our dishes in the sink every day. And so let's begin. This is going to be heaps of fun and parents enjoy supervising and have fun with your children. So we start off by grabbing our milk. We put and pour a thin layer into our shallow dish, just like this. Then we're going to go and get some food colouring. And we're going to have a really spotty day today. So a bit of red spots, big red spots. There we go. You can see the spots all going in. There's some red ones. Well, we might try yellow now. So a few yellow spots and dots. Yellow, there it goes. And cleaning out that eyedropper. Because we can mix all our colours and make different colours, but we're just going to stick with red, yellow and green. So we're having a really spotty day today. Lots of big spots, little spots. All goes into the milk like so. Ooh, lots of colours there. So then I grab my cotton bud and we're going to use our dishwashing liquid. We're going to stick the cotton bud into the dishwashing liquid like so. And then we're going to push the dishwashing liquid cotton bud into our dots. So we'll start off with the green. There it goes. Wow, that was super big. And into the yellow. Whoa, making lots of colours all go together in circles. Wow, what is happening with all our colours? And into the red. There it goes. Oh wow, your children are going to love this. There's going to be lots of oohs and ahs and wow. So we're going to go into the green and it goes back the other way. Try into the yellow. Big swirls and big dots. Making lots of patterns. So we can have a bit of a question time with our children. We can talk about what is happening. How is it happening? What is making it happen? So all the science behind it. It's just a lot of fun for the whole family. There we go. So if it stops for a bit, you can even do some swirls. Change the cotton bud to the other end and place it into the milk, into the colour. And you can see all the patterns swirling around. Wow, that's fantastic. Lots of colours, lots of swirls. And that's our Magic Milk science experiment. So I hope you guys can have a really fun day. Enjoy and goodbye.